Hey there, it's Chuck, maker of Turas.app, here to walk you through our new Chrome extension. So you just go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Turas.app, and you'll see the extension right there. All you've got to do is click Add to Chrome, and it's installed and ready to go. Now if you go to Google Maps and reload your map, the extension pops right up and prompts you to log in. You log into Turas.app using your normal account, and this will connect your extension to your Turas.app account, and all of your trips and itineraries are available in the Chrome extension in Google Maps. Now you can go into here and start navigating around Google Maps with the Chrome extension and your itinerary. Check out our other videos on how to take advantage of this powerful extension to plan your next adventure.